Introduction. The text is about Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem, a brave and respected officer of the Pakistan Navy. It explains his achievements during the 1965 and 1971 wars. He commanded the submarine PNS Hangor and successfully attacked Indian naval ships. The text describes him as courageous, determined, and skillful. It also explains the importance of role models and encourages students to research famous Pakistanis who achieved success through hard work and bravery. Summary of the story. The passage begins by explaining how difficult and dangerous it is to command a submarine during war. A submarine officer must be brave, calm, intelligent, and skilled because he has to make important decisions under great pressure. The text then introduces Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem, a famous hero of the Pakistan Navy. Ahmad Tasneem joined the Pakistan Navy in 1954. He worked hard and received professional military training. He was sent to the United Kingdom to study at the Britannia Royal Naval College in Dartmouth. He graduated in 1955. After that, he went to Australia for more sea training and served with the Royal Australian Navy as an exchange officer. These trainings helped him become an excellent naval officer. The article describes Ahmad Tasneem as a daring, determined, and valiant sailor. He became famous during the 1971 war while commanding the submarine PNS Hangor. During the war, PNS Hangor attacked and sank the Indian naval frigate Insk Khukri. The ship sank quickly before the crew could be rescued. Ahmad Tasneem also damaged another Indian naval ship called Insk Irpan. This naval attack became one of the most important events in Pakistan Navy history. It was the first submarine kill since World War II. The event happened on 9 December 1971, near Diu off the Indian coast. Because of this success, the Pakistan Navy celebrates Hangor Day every year to remember the bravery of PNS Hangor and its crew. The text also talks about Ahmad Tasneem's role in the 1965 war. He served as second-in-command of the submarine PNS Ghazi. During the war, PNS Ghazi blocked much of the Indian Navy in enemy waters. This helped Pakistan Navy ships attack military targets in Dwarka, India. One of Ahmad Tasneem's greatest honors was receiving the Sitara-i-Jurrat Award twice. This is a very rare distinction, and he was the only admiral to receive it 2 times. The article praises him as a great warrior who served his country bravely during difficult times. The passage also explains the importance of role models. Role models are people who inspire others through their achievements, hard work, bravery, and dedication. Students are encouraged to research Pakistani heroes and learn how they achieved success. The lesson teaches students to admire good qualities such as courage, determination, patriotism, discipline, and hard work. Overall, the passage teaches about bravery, patriotism, leadership, military history, and the importance of role models in society. Answers to all questions. Question. What rare distinction did Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem receive? Answer. He became the only admiral to receive the Sitara-i-Jurrat Award twice. Question. What role does Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem play in the 1971 war? Answer. He commanded PNS Hangor and successfully attacked Indian naval ships during the 1971 war. Question. How does the writer describe Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem? Answer. The writer describes him as daring, determined, valiant, brave, and heroic. Question. What do you think the meaning of the phrase, bottled up the bulk, is? Answer. It means stopping or blocking most of the Indian Navy from moving freely. Grammar exercises solved. Question. What does daunting mean? Answer. Daunting means very difficult or frightening. Question. What does valiant mean? Answer. Valiant means very brave and courageous. Question. What does commemorated mean? Answer. Commemorated means remembered and honored specially. Question. What does frigate mean? Answer. A frigate is a type of warship used by a navy. Question. What does distinction mean? Answer. Distinction means a special honor or achievement. Question. Find words from the text related to bravery. Answer. Daring, valiant, heroic, brave, determined. Question. Find words from the text related to war and navy. Answer. Submarine, frigate, commanding officer, navy, military, flotilla. Question. What is a role model? Answer. A role model is a person people admire and try to follow because of their achievements or good qualities. Question. Find examples of national awards mentioned in the text. Answer. Sitara-i-Jurrat and Nishan-e-Haider. Important MCQs with answers. Who is the me person discussed in the passage? A. Teacher, Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem. A. Doctor. A. Pilot. Answer. Vice Admiral Ahmad Tasneem. Which organization did Ahmad Tasneem join in 1954? Army, Air Force, Pakistan Navy, Police. Answer. Pakistan Navy. In which year did Ahmad Tasneem join the Pakistan Navy? 1947 बटा 1950 1954 बटा 1965. Answer. 1954. Where did Ahmad Tasneem receive naval training? China, United Kingdom, Turkey, Russia. Answer. United Kingdom. Which naval college did he attend? Oxford College, Britannia Royal Naval College, Military Academy, Cambridge College. Answer. Britannia Royal Naval College. In which country did he receive further sea training? Canada, Australia, France, Egypt. Answer. Australia. Which navy did he join as an exchange officer? Indian Navy, Royal Australian Navy, British Army, US Navy. Answer. Royal Australian Navy. Which submarine did Ahmad Tasneem command in 1971? PNS Ghazi, PNS Hangor, Inskukri, Inskirpan. Answer. PNS Hangor. Which Indian ship was sunk by PNS Hangor? Inskirpan, Inskukri, Insvikrant, Delhi. Answer. Inskukri. Which ship was damaged by PNS Hangor? Inskirpan, Inskukri, PNS Ghazi, PNS Khyber. Answer. Inskirpan. What kind of ship was Inskukri? Cargo ship, frigate, fishing boat, passenger ship. Answer. Frigate. What is Hangor Day? A sports day, A. Pakistan Navy celebration, A. School event, A. National holiday. Answer. A Pakistan Navy celebration. On which date is Hangor Day remembered? 14 अगस्त, 9 दिसंबर, 23 मार्च, 6 सितंबर. Answer. 9 December. Where did the naval action take place? Near Karachi, near Diu, near Lahore, near Dhaka. Answer. Near Diu. What made the attack historically important? It was the first submarine kill since World War II. It ended the war. It happened in Karachi. It involved aircraft. Answer. It was the first submarine kill since World War II. Which submarine did Ahmad Tasneem serve on during the 1965 war? PNS Ghazi, PNS Hangor, Inskukri, Inskirpan. Answer. PNS Ghazi. What role did PNS Ghazi play in 1965? Transport ship, training ship, blocked Indian Navy movements, rescue ship. Answer. Blocked Indian Navy movements. What does the phrase, bottled up the bulk, mean? Destroyed completely, blocked most of the enemy navy, captured soldiers, sank submarines. Answer. Blocked most of the enemy navy. Which award did Ahmad Tasneem receive twice? Nishan-e-Haider, Sitara-i-Jurrat, Hilal-i-Imtiaz, Pride of Performance. Answer. Sitara-i-Jurrat. Why is receiving Sitara-i-Jurrat twice special? It is very common, it is a rare distinction, it is only for civilians, it is given yearly. Answer. It is a rare distinction. How does the writer describe Ahmad Tasneem? Lazy and weak, daring and valiant, funny and careless, quiet and shy. Answer. Daring and valiant. What qualities are needed to command a submarine? Bravery and calmness, singing skills, acting talent, painting skills. Answer: bravery and calmness. What does valiant mean? Cowardly, brave, careless, angry. Answer: brave. What does daunting mean? Easy, frightening and difficult, funny, boring. Answer: frightening and difficult. What is a role model? A person people admire and follow, a teacher only, a soldier only, a singer only. Answer: a person people admire and follow. Which museum displays PNS Hangor? Pakistan Air Force Museum, Pakistan Navy Maritime Museum, National Museum, Army Museum. Answer: Pakistan Navy Maritime Museum. In which city is the museum located? Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, Peshawar. Answer: Karachi. What does commemorated mean? Forgotten, celebrated and remembered, destroyed, hidden. Answer: celebrated and remembered. What lesson does the passage mainly teach? Importance of sports, importance of bravery and patriotism, importance of business, importance of entertainment. Answer: importance of bravery and patriotism. What should students learn from role models? Bad habits, hard work and dedication, laziness, fear. Answer: hard work and dedication.